Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to subscript and superscript in Google Docs. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now this feature, you will need it especially if you type some mathematical formulas. So now here in my case, for example, I want to type 3 power 2 equal 9. Now, if you want to make the 3 power 2 sign, you have to superscript this number right here. So you can simply select the number like this, then go to Format, Text, then choose Superscript, as you can see. Or you can simply choose the same number and use the shortcut Control plus period, or this dot right here. But now, what if I want to subscript the text? It's also easy. All you have to do right now is to just select the number, then go back to format and choose from the text subscript, or you can simply use this shortcut right here, Control plus the comma sign. And you can also undo this by clicking the same shortcut, or you can click on Control plus Z. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.